Greetings of peace, happiness, magic, wisdom, and creations of opulence. I'm here today to share a few of my creations, which are many. But today are some bracelets that I have created for your pleasure. Each one is one of a kind. This is brass, but it sure looks like gold. Who would ever know unless you told them? I am putting these out here now on the new moon energy because a request had been made a while ago from one of my spiritual daughters for a bracelet. And I have finally just about completed them all. I'm looking for the one that I want her to have. And I don't see that. That's deep. I put these all out here for your pleasure and hers. But where is the one that I chose for her? Perhaps it's not supposed to be a part of this offering. Clearly, it is not visible. Now I'm going to take off my personal bracelet and put them on so you can see them, and maybe her bracelet will pop up for me to see, as I surely thought I picked it up before I started. That was a little awkward, but things happen. This one you can slide on. You just slide on. And you can wear it like that. You can wear it up on your arm or with other ones. And it unlocks if you wanted it to. And this one that's coming up has a lock on it as well. And it closes pretty easily. Yes. I see y'all coming in. I'm going to put my glasses on so I can maybe acknowledge what you're saying. But thank you for coming. This also has a lock on it. It can be a little tricky getting a bracelet online because everyone's wrist is different. But I am trusting that if you see something you like, it's going to suit you. Look at the detail work there. And again, you can wear this with other bracelets. You can wear them all with other bracelets. Did I show you this one as well? This is can go on like so, and this will fit very comfortably. Now, while I am wondering to myself, that's deep, I will say, oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. I know something magical is always on the way. Ah, there it is. There's the bracelet that I chose for her. I'm going to send her this video and see there's a little bit more detail I'm going to put on here and here for her. Again, all of these bracelets are brass. Different colors of brass, but they sure look like gold. I mean, for real. Crystals, the spiral of the divine feminine. Okay, glasses time. See who came to visit me. Well, welcome. I'll wave back at you. You look new to me, but thank you for coming. And, oh, since you look new, I am Queen. New addition to my realization of who I am. The Queen part, no. Goddess part, no. A Queen, great grandmother goddess. That I have evolved in my stay upon the planet. And I have been elevated to that status, which is taking me closer to the mother of all. Recognizing that I have had and will have many more children to come to me. You must be as a child to enter the kingdom of heaven, and that is with the desire of your heart to be as pure as possible. I give thanks for you all taking your sacred time to spend time with me, and stay tuned for the monthly gathering for April. I'm not sure when it's going to be, when I am guided. One more look at the bracelets, the possibilities. I create many things, as I said. Jewelry is a gift I've had for a long time. In fact, I'm sure it's something I did in other lifetimes. And I am aligned with many, many masters who I have drawn from their talents. I'm going to drop two names. You may know, one is Baba Haru Samaj. He passed me the metal energy in the beginning. And Sekou Ra, who I have spent many, many creative energy times with to absorb his energy as well in terms of his gifts. But I have been blessed to be empowered by so many others. I'll tell you about it another time. Thank you for spending your time with me today. And think about those bracelets for yourself. Namaste. Hotepu. Glad I found the other bracelet for her. Oh, what a beautiful day. Life. Ankh. Paradise. Magic. Hope. I hope my volume was up on this. Yeah, it was pretty good. And with that, I'm out. Until we meet again. You stay in harmony with you. Oh, since I touched that, one of my creations of opulence. And since I mentioned Sekou Ra's name, all of these rings are of his creation. Yes. So, Let me know what you see that you might like. Take care, beloveds. All right, how to get out of here. And now.